Today's video will demonstrate the practical application of the PnPIso tool, which we discussed in the previous video. To create an isometric drawing from an Inventor model, you first need to generate a pipe component file using the Isogen Output command. This command is located in the tool palette of the active assembly type pipe and run. We'll execute the command and assign a name to the file. The file has been created, and now we need to process it using the PnPIso.exe application. This tool is located in the folder where Plant 3D is installed. As a reminder, the application cannot be launched with a double click since it requires additional parameters to function. Open the command prompt by typing cmd, and let's examine the parameters that need to be specified. The first parameter is the configuration file. You can use the existing ISOconfig.xml. The second parameter is the pipe component file, and the third is the folder where the generated isometric drawings will be saved. This is what our command looks like, but when we run it, an error occurs. By searching online, you'll discover that an additional crucial parameter is required, which specifies the version of AutoCAD that will be used for drawing generation. Now the command is complete, and we can wait for the drawings to be created. A list of generated drawings is displayed, so let's open them in AutoCAD to see how they look. They seem quite good and consistent with the usual standards of Plant 3D. However, this is only at first glance. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice several errors. Let's address them one by one. First, look at the weld symbols. This is how field welds are displayed. While it's acceptable to have a few, they shouldn't be everywhere. Next, some flanges are improperly oriented and bolt annotations are missing. We can only see the flange and gasket annotations. A similar issue is present in another drawing. However, the main problem, which is not immediately obvious, lies in the orientation of the isometric drawings. Pay attention to the coordinate system in which the model is drawn. The XY plane is vertical, meaning that north is vertical since it always aligns with the y-axis. This is a significant issue. Indeed, north aligns along the y-axis in our model, but the y-axis should lie in the horizontal plane, as it does in AutoCAD. Pay attention closely on north direction, on coordinate system in AutoCAD and coordinate system in Inventor. Coordinate system in AutoCAD is named World Coordinate System, or WCS, and for Plant Project you can adjust it with rotating round z-axis and translating, but in Inventor you can do significant actions. At this point, you don't have many options, but to adjust the completed model to ensure correct orientation. Configure Inventor to be compatible with other Autodesk software in terms of coordinate system orientation. Open the Options window, go to the Display tab, and click the View Cube button. Adjust the top and front view orientations as demonstrated in the video. This adjustment won't affect existing models, but will apply to the future ones you create. The next fix involves correcting the weld annotations. We'll set all welds to be workshop welds instead of field welds. To make this correction, first, open the mini-skid PCF file in Visual Studio Code or a similar text editor. Find the SKI.wf entries and replace them with SKI.ww. Save the file and close it. Delete the previously generated isometric drawings and rerun the PnPIso.exe command. Wait for the command to execute, then open the drawings. Now the welds are displayed as workshop welds. One more minor improvement can be made: the orientation of individual flanges. You can fix this in the PCF file, but currently, it's faster to rotate the flanges by 180 degrees directly in the drawing. If you're enjoying this video and want to see more amazing content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.